your Alaska Link weather for Fairbanks and the interior.
We went through a big change of scenery, especially across the Brooks Range into the North Slope with a late season snowpack and then seeing some big warming that then led to some Big Ten River flooding throughout the North Slope. And we are now rounding off here the end of June, but as we take a step into July, we are going to see more of these blue sky conditions, as we'll though still talk about some active weather. And as we have a few rumbles here possible through Wednesday, but the active weather will fall with continuing to keep an eye on our fire danger season, as beginning Wednesday, we are going to be underneath an environment where we're going to be under warm conditions with windy weather, and that can allow for fire spread to occur very quickly, as we will bump up those temperatures to the 80s and keep those hot temperatures into the holiday weekend. So what we have even is a potential of getting back to the 80s here for our Tuesday. We are looking at a morning low of 54 degrees, an afternoon high of 83, record 88 set back in 1990 as well as 2021. And we are seeing that generally our Tuesday quieter day for much of the interior, lower threat for any showers or thunderstorms. We're underneath a light southeasterly flow, and with that sunshine that is still at abundance this time of the year with its strong sun angle, will allow for that strong warming to pull us there from those 50s, 60 in the morning hours to climb to the 80s. And when it comes to those daylight hours here, we are at 21 hours and 24 minutes. We are getting closer there to starting to lose upwards of even over 5 minutes per day. Still though, seeing that sunset is after 12 o'clock, so setting into our next day with only those limited overnight hours, strong twilight still in play, and that is going to add into again the strong warming that we will have in place as we continue through much of this first week of July. So we are feeling the summertime warmth. We have Nenana coming to a high of 82 degrees for our Tuesday, 81 into Circle, 78 into Delta Junction. Seeing a few thunderstorms there for some of our eastern regions, as well as noting that there is a disturbance in the west coast that may bring some cloudiness and a sprinkle, but nothing that will be impactful for our region. As we head into our Wednesday, we continue with those warm temperatures, even starting to see more spread of some of those 80-degree highs popping up. Again, noting a few thunderstorms, especially through our higher elevations there, the Alaska Range. That thunderstorm threat will have to be watched, as we also will see that we do have some stronger winds. So if a new wildfire does start and we have the stronger winds in this warm environment, that can lead to quick fire spread. So we will be then on Wednesday starting to turn to the conversation of the fire weather danger, as we only will continue to stack up that 80-degree heat that will last through the holiday weekend.